Hi, this is Mr. Sanders, and I want to introduce you to the Magruder Philanthropy Project. So, over the next week or two, our course study will focus on philanthropy and charitable giving. That's also known as charity. Now, here's an overview of what we will study and learn. Starting today, that's Monday, December 4th, our financial math classes will be focusing on philanthropy, charity, and altruism as our course of study. Essentially, that's the desire to promote the welfare of others. We can call this line of study the Philanthropy Project. Our classwork and homework will focus on philanthropy, charity, and altruism. First, we need to know what philanthropy, charity, and altruism mean. What are the definitions for those words? Our current financial mathematics assignments are focused on the important concepts of charity and philanthropy, but what is charity anyway? What does the word philanthropy mean? Have you ever been to Philadelphia? That city's name comes from the combination of two ancient Greek words, phileo and adelphos, love of and brother. That's why Philadelphia is known as the city of brotherly love. Philanthropy has a similar word origin, phileo plus anthropos, love of man, or really all humans. Philanthropy really is the desire to promote the welfare of others, expressed especially by the generous donation of money to good causes. But you can be a philanthropist without donating lots of money. You have time and you have effort as two skills and resources that you can volunteer and donate to others. All right, here's another word we need to understand, altruism. What the heck is altruism anyway? Altruism is the belief in or practice of disinterested and selfless concern for the well-being of others. Meaning, no matter how things are going, you think it's important that others can live well as well. Our first objective as part of our lesson 5.1 will be that students will be able to consider and discuss their personal views on philanthropy. They'll also be able to describe trends in how Americans engage in philanthropy, including the most popular philanthropic causes, the typical amount donated, and the role of ultra-wealthy donors. And students will be able to research, define, and compare different forms of altruism. What does that even mean? Now let's consider and discuss the personal views of philanthropy. What does that mean? That means students will be able to write out in complete sentences their own ideas about philanthropy, charitable giving, volunteerism, and altruism. Is philanthropy a good thing? Is it a bad thing? Is philanthropy something with which anyone and everyone can be involved? Can you practice philanthropy without giving away your money? These are questions we will consider. All right, and so now let's describe trends in how Americans engage in philanthropy. We'll be looking at graphs and tables to analyze and find the latest trends. Now, including the most popular philanthropic causes. What are those causes? How many are there? What is the typical amount that's being donated to these causes? Can you say data analysis? That's what we'll do. All right. And then the role of ultra wealthy donors. We'll be looking at various tables and charts here too. Okay, that's a wrap up of what we'll be doing over the next week or two as we complete the Magruder Philanthropy Project in our financial mathematics class.